So I'll be showing you how you can install GCam on your Samsung S25 Ultra, which at the moment of recording actually works. So to start off, you do want to navigate to your browser and navigate to gcamapk.io. I will try to have a link in the description there, so it's a little bit quicker. But in here, on the main settings page, you want to scroll down and just constantly close this garbage odds. You want to swipe down, and here, there we go. We'll have our brands of phones. So we're going to select Samsung, and you also want to swipe down and select your Samsung S25 Ultra, and then swipe down till you find the download link. So I did scroll down, and you will see this kind of window right here. So you want to just select the download PSG GCam 9.6. That's at the time of recording. Again, close this garbage. And then a little bit lower, you will find this right here. So GCam for Galaxy S25, we're going to click on the download link right here. It's going to download. Now, I already have downloaded it, as you can see. So trying to get me to rename. You can see it right here. Now, once it's done downloading, we'll need to enable one option, or actually more like disable. So let's navigate into the settings quickly, and under security and privacy, you will find auto blocker. You want to turn that garbage off, as this will prevent you from installing GCam. And from there, just go back and install it, and it does work. So let me just find the application right over here. So right now, when I lift up the phone, you will see that the camera does work. And we are using GCam, though I want to point out, in terms of photos, the 1x with 2x zoom will work. All the other ones will not. So if you try to use other lenses, at the moment, it doesn't work. That's also one of the reasons why I kind of went over the instruction on where you can find the links, as throughout the time, you'll find newer versions of this, which will also most likely implement more features that will work, meaning other lenses will work as well. Now, in terms of camera or video recording, it also works. Again, only the main sensor and the 2x zoom, and nothing really else seems to work at the moment. But like I said, this is something that's probably going to be changed over time. Now, with that out of the way, if you found this video helpful, it would be great if you could hit that like, subscribe button. And nonetheless, thank you for watching, and have a great rest of the day.